times when we go shopping for indoor plants to be in that little special spot in the corner of our living room or on a shelf in our office or wherever, we go to the indoor plant section at our local nursery. Did you know that there are also plants outside that you can use indoors? Because guess what? All of these things also thrive outdoors. Both of these plants right here came from the outdoor plant section at Lowe's, I think is where I got both of them, just because I was popping in and was able to pick them up. And what's so great about these is you can actually get the plants a little larger from the start. You'll probably notice if you go into the indoor section, there's a lot of smaller plants. There are some bigger ones too, especially the fiddle leaf figs and things like that. But you're probably going to get a better value if you shop on the outside, because a lot of these are used as bedding plants and things like that, and those typically are a less expensive price point than the plants that they're marketing as indoor plants that are inside. Now, the other tip too is when you go outside, most of these plants are meant for low light situations, which is what your home likely is. Most people don't have enough light in their house to be considered a partial sun or even a full, definitely not a full sun situation. So you want to get plants that are meant for low light, and those are going to be located outside underneath the shade cloth is what they call it. If you look up, you'll see that there's a canopy of black or gray cloth, and that's called shade cloth. That provides the kind of light situation that low light plants like these. So make sure when you're shopping, you're not just checking into that area that's inside underneath the cover, but that you're also going outside to look for the shade cloth plants as well as some larger versions to get a better bang for your buck.